Now we have Chief Guest of the Foundation Program 2014, Professor Sanjeev Sanghi. Professor Sanghi obtained his bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering from IIT Kanpur in 1985. His MS degree was from Cornell University and PhD from Levish Institute of City University of New York. Immediately after his PhD, he returned to India and joined IIT Delhi as faculty member in the Department of Applied Mechanics, where he is a professor since 2006. He is also a member of Board of Governors of IIT Delhi and Head of Educational Technology Service Center at IIT Delhi. He has also been affiliated with the Transportation Research and Injury Prevention Program at IITD. He was also a visiting professor at University of Sussex in 2007 and 8. Professor Sanghi has been a very popular teacher and has won many awards for teaching excellence, including the Distinguished TA Award at Cornell University and the Distinguished Teaching Award at IIT Delhi. His primary area of research is fluid mechanics and has published a number of articles in several reputed journals. Further, as a president of IIT Delhi Faculty Forum and member of All India IIT Teachers Federation, Professor Sanghi spearheaded the movement which opposed the intervention of the joint entrance exam JEE. It's because of his role in the federation that the rigorous admission criteria to the IITs were maintained, earning him the unofficial title of the man who saved JEE. It's a great pleasure to have him here with us today. Let's welcome Professor Sanghi. Please take the podium, sir.
Thank you very much for the kind words. I don't think I deserve half of them. I'll talk a bit about saving JEE, but obviously it is a work by a lot of people, not just me. I've just happened to be one of the people who was there. Let me start by congratulating all of you, the people who are going to start a new phase in your life. The next 45 months will be a period of excitement for you, I'm very sure. But before I talk, let me first also, before that, let me pay some respect to my teachers. Some of them were there at IIT Kanpur with me. And before starting, I would like to pay all my respect to them, Professor Ashwini Kumar, Professor Mehrotra, Professor Sharan, maybe there are more. So thank you very much. What I am is because of people like you. You may not have directly taught me, but the atmosphere you created at Kanpur has molded me to what I am today. And in fact, even the struggle for JEE, whatever goes, I think that comes from the water of Kanpur. So, and which now I see you are trying to create at Gandhinagar, or maybe something even better. So, thank you very much, sir. Now, all of you people have come here after intense studying. I know this because my son was in the same boat as you people, and he's currently in the second year in the same system. So, what I realize is that for year after you have studied a lot, and possibly in preparing for JEE, our system is such that you may have lost a lot of your interest. How many years or how many months, it's probably not months, it now goes into years of preparation. And you forget everything, you just are only studying physics, chemistry, maths. You forget as if anything else exists in the world. Am I right or wrong? Right, isn't it? And you may have done it at your home. Some of you may have done it at Kota, Indore, Bhilai, Hyderabad, whichever places. So maybe you left your home and there were these Bhaiyajis and Bhabijis of the coaching institutes who sort of guided you and they told you what to do. And the only passion in your life became joining IIT. And that passion you have fulfilled. But actually it is not a passion. And that is what I would like to say. And a lot of people before me also have said that somewhere during this race for JEE, we lose the passion in our life. All what we want to do, it's a lambi race wali baat hai. That is what JEE is about. That you have to be able to sustain that figure of not even understanding the subject, of solving the problems for a period of about 2 years. Getting to all that, and then only you are able to get through to that exam. but somewhere this passion of for things which you want to do is lost. As Shrinkla was there, she was, as they said, an artist trapped in an engineer's body. So things which you are interested in, you keep them on a backstage for 2 years or so, or maybe more, and you just keep on doing these problems of physics, chemistry and maths. Now is the time that whatever you have lost, try to gain that. Try to see what interests you, and let your thoughts and creative ideas which you have, they have to bloom, and they need not be in your subject which you have chosen. And why does that happen? Because again, the subject which you have chosen does not come from passion. In most cases it comes from your JEE rank. Is that right? So, but at least you are in a place where once you have come here, as it has been told to you, the JEE rank doesn't matter. You come here, you realize that you like the other subject more. You will have enough chances to study that subject, either to change to that. From what I know, even the number of branch changes, most people get a branch which they like, and to which I was really very surprised how that happens, and I would like to understand that system. So I think you people are in a really you're lucky that you have come to this place where now you will try to see what you like, and by the end of first year you will do some of the basic courses in each of the disciplines, and after that you can decide. And if you like a subject, even if you, as your dean told you, even if you do not get a branch change, then you can take enough subjects in that topic or enough electives or whatever subjects, and then try to understand that subject, try to gain the most. And therefore, whatever passion which you have, at least, or so what you have to try and do is that whatever spark which you have to give a fire to that. And that is what you should try and do in the 45 months which you will be here. You don't have too much time. It is less than 4 years. It is only 45 months of time. So therefore, try to explore. Try to see what you can do. And new ideas will be there, creative ideas will be there. See how you can give a vent to these, how you can let them bloom into some products. Now, when we all join, there are a lot of ideologies we have. Now, some of these ideologies which we as students or as children, as adults get, some of them are based on our experiences in life. So if they are good ideologies, at least something with which we cling, don't let them go away. And at the same time, we be very open, so that if there is a new ideology which comes, pick that up. And try to blend your existing ideology with the one which you can pick up, and so that you can bloom into a better individual. And a better individual is something which you have to decide. Nobody else will decide. You have to become a better from your own perspective. So, therefore, what you will realize is that this place will become a place for your education, not just teaching. So, you have to
Welcome to Unified Conferencing.
Educated.
You are the first person to join the conference.
Now, in whatever you do, life will not be easy. Struggles will be there. You'll have to, fights may be there. But if your cause is right, then eventually you'll find success. And this is where let me divert a bit and talk a bit about our experiences with what I was told you about the JEE struggle which we had. And this was 2 years back, if you recall. I think at that time you must be preparing for your exam, or you were probably in class 10. And there was this whole move by where, see, IITs themselves were very conscious that the school system is being wronged because of JEE, because the way students prepare for JEE, not because of JEE, but the way things that happen.
To join the conference.
So then, what IIT council itself, the directors were doing a brainstorm as to how to change this and how to make the school system more important. But then suddenly what happened was a new minister came, and because of which there was a sudden rush and the whole system was being manipulated. The intentions were supposed to be good, but the results would not create whatever was expected. So the whole thing was that the coaching classes role should go down, and the solution which was proposed did not come in line with the intended aims. And therefore, and what was proposed was that the marks for class 12 and for JEE, there will be some sort of a khichdi of that will be made, and that will decide the JEE rank, and which currently, as you see, is being done for NIT admissions. To us as IIT faculty, this was unacceptable. But then we have our directors, they have their limitations. So whatever it was in the IIT council, it was bulldozed that no, this will be followed. And that was the council decision which was taken. But this is where you will see how the IIT system works. In the IIT system, all the faculty, we thought it was not proper. And so we decided to take it up, and at different IITs, the faculty took it up and they said, no, we will not accept this. And this was conveyed to the minister. And then it was a long struggle. We were told, okay, you make your decisions, we will consider them. Finally, the recommendation which the minister again gave was the same thing, that it will not be accepted. And there I remember, there was a meeting which was called where all the directors, all the chairman, board of governors, the minister himself, they had taken this decision. Two of us as faculty representatives were outside the room. And then we were suddenly left in that room. So it was as if two lambs and all these lions, hungry lions waiting to pounce on us. They were there. And then the first thing as we went, the minister said, so what do you want? So then I said, what is your decision? They said, no, we will stick to this, this will be added. I said, we don't accept this. So then they decided, they said, okay, what are the objections? We raised our objections. They said, we have taken care of them. We said, no, sir, they have not been taken care of. And we argued it out with all the directors. They, some of them said, some of them, I think they were forced, they have their own limitations, they had to keep quiet there. But we, as individuals, did speak up. And finally we said, please note a dissent. And after that, things didn't happen, but then, luckily for us, so that's where we were feeling very low, that this struggle is going on, but we have not been able to achieve, because still the decision was the same. But then, luckily for us, the issue caught fire, the media took it up, and then after that, there were a lot of presentations, lot of discussion, and eventual decision was that, at least for the IITs, they said, you decide, and we came up with whatever formula we have right now, where the entrance to IITs is only on the basis of JEE marks. There are additional criteria, separate filters. So, what I'm trying to say in context of this is that in anything which you take up, struggle may come, पर फिर तूफान से किश्ती को निकालना पड़ता है. And somehow we are lucky, we were able to get it done. Even if it doesn't happen, at least we have to have had the satisfaction that we did something, we did not keep quiet. And that is what I would like to appeal to all of you, that even if you struggle, things don't work out, but you have done your bit. So don't leave that spirit. Another thing which was talked of and about which I was very impressed was the ethics code, which you said that students themselves have developed and now they follow, and at least it's very impressive, because that is one thing which I wanted to talk to you about, that in life, please take this decision not to cheat. And cheating is not, of course, in terms of an university comes for the academic cheating, but it holds everywhere. And this is one decision which is purely personal, but you have to take somewhere. In our school education system, we have not been able to inculcate these values. Even students, all of you, you must have been toppers in your school. But I don't know how many of you, it does happen, at least in my time it happened, and with me also it happened, that there was a lot of copying which used to go on. Maybe you did not copy, people copied from you, but somewhere you may have helped them. So what has to happen is that if now please take a decision. You have to now, as they said, that you are now transforming from young individuals to adults. So a time of decision has come, and you have to decide that enough is enough, now we will not accept this. And while your deans etc. have been very nice telling you that this atmosphere is good, but I think what you will realize even at a place like this where the atmosphere is very friendly, if you are caught copying, then I think it will end up in disastrous results even for you. So the best thing is not to get into it. Try to build a culture. And if you build this culture, it will take us a long way through. So that is what. Now, another interesting, now see, this brings me almost to the end, that you're now, parents I was expecting to see them, but I'm told the parents are listening to me. They are there in the other auditorium or other rooms, and it is it's going there. So my request to the parents is now, and to you, all of you, this is a new stage of life. A new stage of life for parents, a new stage of life for children. For parents, your children will now be going away from you. If it has not already happened in Kota and Indore and Billai, etc. So, at least for a lot of parents, children will be going away, and it is time now that you let them go. It is a difficult decision, at least for me also as a parent, I know, but we have to sort of let children now live their own life. It's a new phase of relationship which will take place. It's a one phase has got over when possibly the first time when you went to school, your parents took you to school. Now, when you are coming here, some of your parents are here and they have got you here, and this is possibly the last time they will be taking you to an educational institution. And there will be tears in many mothers, fathers, maybe children, but soon you'll sort of learn to live your own life. And parents also, please let your children be free. Don't try to guide them. That is my appeal to all of you. They are now in a stage where they have to make their own decisions. Leave them free. And even if they make any mistake, be tolerant. Mistakes everyone will have to make, and only then we learn. So, be tolerant of all this. Now, the foundation program, which I find has all these elements involved: creativity, values and ethics, teamwork, physical activities, sports, etc. So all this is something which is, I think, a flagship of IIT Gandhinagar. No other IIT has this program, and I wish other IITs, including mine, would have it. But I guess there are constraints which are there. Some constraints are there that of the number of students, etc. But in some parts we can still at least imbibe some of the elements. We do try to do it in different forms, but the form in which this is being done here is, I think, an excellent way. Because firstly, I think it will help you de-stress yourself of the JEE. Well, some of you may find getting up at 6 o'clock and running equally worse, and you will curse all your teachers. In fact, actually, now these practices are banned in hostels, but when you what used to be called the interaction period at IIT Delhi, this is what the seniors used to do. They used to take the juniors for a run at 6 o'clock in the morning. And now that has been stopped at IIT Delhi because this has been termed cruel by the IIT authorities. But anyway, what you have to realize is they were doing classes from 8 o'clock. You will not be doing them. So it will not be cruel for you. But one thing this will help you do is make friends amongst yourself. In this 5 weeks which you will be here, you will learn, you will interact with each other, and the interaction from the seniors will be on the lower side, because whole day you will be doing not studying, interacting with yourself. So, as one of your faculty only told me, it will detoxify you. So, make use of the full program, and I'm sure you'll have a great time. All the best to all of you, and I'm sure you will graduate in 45 months time from here and you'll be the happiest people on the earth. Thank you.